Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get to Garden Hill in Sham Shui Po. So first of all, you want to get to the Garden Hill Bakery Factory, and once you cross the road you will see Sham Shui Po Estate, which is the pink building on the right. So once you reach this part, you want to turn left up the hill and keep walking until you pass this restaurant. And you will see a hidden pathway which will lead you to Garden Hill. So once you reach this part, just keep walking down this path and up the stairs. So once you reach the top of the stairs, you will see the bottom of the hill, which is right here, and just keep following up this path and it will take you around 10 minutes to get to the top. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part because there's only one way up and no intersections or alternative routes. So we've finally reached the top, and this is what it looks like at the top. That tree right there is a pretty popular portrait spot. So after 5 PM you will see many people rushing up because it's a pretty good sunset spot. So we're now facing the whole Sham Shui Po area, and you can see other photographers waiting for sun. So you can actually go further up and follow the stairs, but there's not much up there, only a sitting area for people to hang out. So the best view for photos is this area right here. So the sun is about to set, as you can see, and right there where I'm pointing at is where we began off in the start of the video, the Garden Bakery Factory. So before we end this video, I'll quickly show you some drone clips of the area. Enjoy! So thanks for watching guys. If you liked this video, remember to hit the like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting spots around Hong Kong.